The human cost of Japan's devastating earthquake. 10,000 people are feared dead as towns are flattened and over 1 million are left without power and water.
I'm standing in what's left of someone's home, just the foundations. The water picked the whole house up and dumped it behind me.
This is the ITV News with Julie Etchingham and Steve Scott.
I'm live in Japan, a country fighting to avert a second explosion at one of its main power plants and a humanitarian crisis for the quake survivors. Story of hope, an emotional reunion for family members feared dead. And new pictures of the moment the tsunami first struck.
In today's other news, back behind bars, the killer of Damilola Taylor breaches his parole. And one win away from the Grand Slam victory for England over Scotland.
Good evening from Japan, where tonight officials say the death toll from Friday's earthquake and tsunami is expected to exceed 10,000. There is also a warning that another explosion could be imminent at the nuclear power station where a reactor building blew up yesterday. More than 1 million people are without power or water in what Japan's Prime Minister today called the country's worst disaster since the Second World War.